Hey folks, and welcome back to Shaggy's Car Shop. On tonight's episode, we're going to be working on the outside of the boat. I've got most of the stuff, still got a few things to do on the inside, but most of the stuff on the inside of the boat taken care of. I need to transition to taking care of some of the stuff on the outside of the boat. So we are going to change out the winch strap on my boat tonight. So without any further ado, let's get after it. All right, so for on these winches, the bolt that actually holds the winch strap in is down in here, and you actually have to remove the winch wheel to get that bolt out. So let me set you guys up for a better view, and we'll pull this winch wheel out, we'll remove this, install the new strap, and then we'll get it all set and good to go. All right, so on mine, happens to be a 9/16, and on the other side it's a 5/8. So we're just gonna get this out of here. Hopefully. Use the old adjustable wrench, slip that out. Doesn't appear to be any excess wear on there, and there you have it. All right, so I have my new strap here, and what I need to do is loosen up the this is a thread locker nut on here across a bolt on the inside of my winch. So all I'm gonna do is take my 9/16 socket and pop this out of here. Well, hopefully pop this out of here. All right, let me grab a screwdriver and I'll be right back. All right, so on the new one, it comes with a nice big loop. As you can see, I can fit my thumb through it. On the old one, it has a loop, but it's been on there for so long that the loop is actually closed up around the bolt some. So what I did is I ran the screwdriver in there, free that up, and it's that simple. So all you're gonna do is run your bolt back through here, open up your new strap so your bolt can fit through it. And just like that, square it up on there and you're good to go. Now all you gotta do is tighten your nut back down and you're all set. And again, mine uses a 5/8 on one side and a 9/16 on the other. Yours may be different, but it's really quite simple to replace one of these boat straps. I'm just replacing mine because it's old and kind of crusty and I don't trust it. So ordered a new one off of Amazon for, I don't know, 15 bucks. All right, folks, quick and simple. That's how you replace one of these boat straps. If you happen to break one while you're out on the water, you can use a rope in a quick pinch. But again, mine was dry rotted from sitting for the last few years. They're only like 20, 25 bucks. I think this one's rated for like 10,000 pounds, so I figured why not? It's just a simple piece of insurance for loading and unloading your boat. Quick and easy. Sorry I wanted a longer video, but they're quite simple. Again, all you do is loosen it up, take your old strap off, pull the center bolt out. Once you get the gear out or the spool out that your strap goes on, you pull the lock bolt on there, and your new strap should have a loop on there that goes through there. Put your new bolt in, tighten that up, put your spool back on, make sure your gear mesh is good, and then you should be good to go. All right, thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one. Thank you.